We've seen stocks like Voltas, Bluestar, Symphony, all of them seeing sharp up move over the course of the last 2 to 3 days. Today as well, you can see Voltas on the bottom of your screen, on your screens. It's up about 3% in today's trading session. Bluestar is higher by about 1.7%. So my colleague Somit is here to tell us exactly what is working for the AC manufacturer. Somit?
The major reason behind this rise in share prices is the increasing temperature in the country. Now, so far in the month of March, if you see, the average temperatures in India has been around 32.9 degrees Celsius, which is the warmest in the last 11 years. Now, Rajasthan is also likely to see more heat waves going forward, while for Gujarat, if you see, already a yellow alert has been issued by IMD. On the other hand, in Mumbai and Delhi have already witnessed record temperatures in this season so far. Now, because of this, the channel check reports are suggesting that the demand for ACs, that is the room air conditioners, has increased. Over the last 2 to 3 days, the industry is witnessing a strong primary billing led by this pickup in temperatures. Earlier, if you see, there were doubts whether consumers will be able to or will absorb this price hike or not, but the current channel checks are suggesting that consumers have actually absorbed this new prices. Now, industry has so far taken a price hike of around 8 to 10% and could take another price hike in the mid of the season. Also, Amber Enterprises in its recent analyst meet had indicated that the demand is back to pre-COVID level, and a 10 to 12% price hike was already taken on the economy models, and which also says that the commodity cost inflation has already been passed on to consumers. So if AC companies take another price hike, then the margins could short up or could increase going forward because they have already passed on the commodity cost inflation to consumers, and another price hike will aid their margins going forward.
All right, thank you so much for that, Somit. Let's bring on board our experts for today. We have Kunal Bothra as well as Mr. A.K. Prabhakar joining us. Good morning, Kunal, as well as Mr. Prabhakar. Thank you so much for joining us on Buy Now, Sell Now. A very happy Holi to you and all at home as well, and as well as your colleagues from the entire team of ET Now. And Mr. Prabhakar, let me first come to you. AC manufacturers, looks like the law is working in a favor. No doubt it's not in favor for all of us who's actually sweating it out in the city of Mumbai and various parts of India. But looks like AC manufacturers are in for a good time.
Yeah, first, happy Holi. I think, air condition as a sector has not performed in the last 2 years. If you recollect, in 2020, March is where we had a lockdown, and they were not able to sell their stock, so it took long time for them to liquidate their inventories. And even in 2021 we had lockdown, during selective lockdown also. So the last 2 years was very bad time for air conditioner manufacturer. And even most of our components comes from China, so that is where the margins were not there. Many companies even incurred losses, but things are turning around. There is a PLI scheme which has been introduced by government, where many companies, Indian companies, are interested in the PLI. There are even foreign tie-ups, where joint ventures have been announced. I think next 2 years are going to be very good, but due to the heat wave now, I think there is a short-term trade in this stock. I like Voltas, Bluestar, Johnson Control, Hitachi Home, Havels, and Whirlpool in this space.
Okay, so that's a comprehensive list. I'm coming to you, Kunal, on any one of these names that stand out based on what's happening on the charts. Good morning to you as well.
Good morning, everyone, and happy Holi to all of you as well as all the viewers of ET Now. I think it's good to see the dark green color, on the markets today and in the last few days. I think it's a good relief rally for the indices. Now coming to the AC manufacturing companies, I think Voltas is one of the few stock which is looking more strong and sturdy in terms of the chart patterns. You look at the March 2020 lows. Look at the stronger nature of the trend for Voltas, from being a stock which was at 500 rupees to being a stock which gradually have moved up into an upward trending manner. The last 6 months, the stock has gone into a consolidation, and it's now nearing a breakout of this consolidation. And we've seen this last time as well in August 2021, that whenever the stock ends a multi-month consolidation, it rises up to almost a 20 to 25% high and makes a fresh high for itself. So if that's the case, then I believe this could be a start of a strong uptrend for Voltas. And I think I would pick that as a stock from the sector overall. would look out for breakout points about 1275 approximately. And if that happens, we could be looking at even target potential of even 1400 to 1500 over the very near term.